Hello guys, welcome to 1M Gadget channel. Today I unboxing ZTE Axon 25G. This smartphone was launched on 1st September 2020. The phone comes with a 6.92-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20.59. ZTE Axon 20 comes with 6 GB of RAM. The ZTE Axon 20 runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4220 mAh battery. The ZTE Axon 20 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the ZTE Axon 25G on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera, a second 8-megapixel camera, a third 2-megapixel camera and a fourth 2-megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 32-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. ZTE Axon 25G based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 2000 GB. The ZTE Axon 25G is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The ZTE Axon 25G measures height 172.10 mm, width 77.90 mm, and thickness 7.90 mm, and weight 198 grams. It was launched in black, blue, orange, and purple colors. Connectivity options on the ZTE Axon 25G include Wi-Fi 802.11 2.11s, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Please continue to watch my video. Thanks.